And here it is, guys. This is the final result. The pozole came out so delicious. And I want to remind you guys, so you can go and check out the description box below so you can see the link for the other video where I have the recipe. And also please go and check out the recipe for the green pozole. It's really, really good. And also I have a recipe for menudo. Okay, guys? So I want to thank you guys for spending time with me. I really do hope you guys like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to subscribe. God bless, and I hope you'll see you next time. Adios.